My name is Jhanice Nelson. I was born in Manchester, England, and I have been residing in St. Vincent and the Grenadines over 12 years now. I've been living in the Caribbean and travelled from the Caribbean to Poland to have a hip operation. It's over 8,000 kilometres to get here, and it was worth the trip.
I'm very happy that you agreed it for our interview, and I'm also so happy that you can share your journey.
Yes, well, it's been a journey getting here. I've travelled from St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Incredible.
To go through this extraordinary journey, and on my way now into recovery.
Yeah, it's just so amazing that you traveled almost the whole world to get here. Why didn't you undergo the operation where you live, so on St. Vincent?
Yeah, well, in St. Vincent we don't have the surgeons nor the instruments and setup for this type of surgery, and the neighbouring countries, they did do them. I did do some research. I did lengthy research, and they had one in Barbados, which I could have jumped on a plane. It's 15 minutes from where I am to Barbados, and they do hip operations there. And also in Trinidad, that's 3 hours away.
So why did you come all over here?
Well, I was looking for the best place. And I know when I read the operations of the surgery and what takes place at that time, I will know whether that place is going to be my fit, because I needed the perfect fit in terms of environment, in terms of surgeon, and in terms of the recovery after the surgery. The surgery is vital, it's the most important, but after that, I think it's very important.
What would you say about your experience?
Oh, I don't even know where to begin, because when we started to liaison with you and you kind of scoped out, this is what takes place once you arrive. It was just getting better and better and better and more exciting to be here. And arriving at the airport, there was somebody there to meet and greet us, and drove us right to the hospital. We was greeted by the nurse that showed us to our room and had any refreshments that we wanted. So from that alone just kind of explained to me, this is what it's going to be till you leave. And
was it?
And much more. Much more. I think this place became like a family to me. It doesn't take long for me to embrace people, and the nurses and the doctors and even the cleaning lady, we took photos with her, we hugged, and it was just got to one point where I had to say to myself, you're not here on a vacation, you're going to have an operation, because it was just just beautiful. It was just a really nice reception. That is very, very important, because I think most places where you go and you do a hip operation, I think you're there for like 3 days, and then you have probably a therapist that might come for 1 day, show you what to do, they give you all the papers to look at, and then you're gone. For me, I don't think that would have been enough for me, you know, and having 14 days here, and every single day you have a therapist, well, not just one but two, come and teach you all these physical therapy that you need to gain back your gluten and your muscle strength. I think that was very, very important to me. And that was one of the choices also, based on that 14 days of physical therapy. I think, yes.
And how you feel now?
Oh, I feel so wonderful. I don't know. I just feel brand new. To be sat here like it's like a new life. It actually feels like a really new life for me, and all that darkness has faded. I don't see it anymore, and all I see is light and joy and happiness. So I am just so grateful to the surgeon and his remarkable team. I'd like to say to anybody who is thinking of having a hip replacement to please make this your first priority, and that is because of my experience. The food is great. There's a shop just down the road, and there's a big supermarket. Please, if you do come here, buy some lemons, and their apples are amazing. And there's clothing store there, so you don't really need to travel, really, to be honest with you. You don't really need to travel with much. Just your nightie maybe, and your toothpaste and that. No towels. They give you towels every single day. They're clean. And if you do come with somebody, there's going to be and they're not nervous to move around. There's such great places to go. My daughter, she's not here today for the interview because she got up really early in the morning, and she's gone to an amazing, beautiful city of Poland, and she's sent photographs, and she's having a wonderful time. So if you're going to be coming with somebody, they don't need to stay every day in the hospital. There's a meadow where there are some beautiful horses. You can go and see the horses, and brisk walks is beautiful, and it's a very, very safe place. Very safe. It's a great place. I recommend anybody who is interested in having a hip replacement that this is the place. This is the place to be. It is an extraordinary place, and I am so ever grateful to the surgeon.